This is an emergency alert pendant. In an emergency, you press this button to call for help. However, there are several problems with these old-fashioned pendants. 1. Not everyone wants to wear them. They are inconvenient and a badge of disability. 2. Not every emergency is clear-cut. Symptoms start or concerning situations develop, and many people aren't prepared to press the button until they are absolutely sure. Sometimes by then it is too late. 3. They don't work outside the home, so they are only useful for people who have little independence. Lastly, not every emergency is a 000 emergency, but can still be frightening or concerning to many people. This is where Red Button comes in. It's the independent emergency alert system. It does everything a pendant does, but a whole lot more. Firstly, it works using one of these, a mobile phone. This means it travels with you outside the home. Secondly, it provides several powerful alert methods. It doesn't require the complexity of an app or need a smartphone. It works by recognizing your phone number. You simply set up a speed dial on your phone. When activated, the phone rings our 1300 number and our system does the rest. Red Button uses Assure Connect dialing. Assure Connect dialing provides many important benefits. First, it calls several phones at the same time. These are your trusted friends or relatives. Secondly, the calls are simultaneous, not sequential. Everyone's phone rings at the same time, increasing the speed of contact. Thirdly, Red Button isn't fooled by message bank. It only stops calling when a real person answers. Fourth, everyone receives a text message, so even if you don't make voice contact, your call group can still see that you need help. Fifth, because it's calling your friends and relatives, you don't have to wait for a real emergency. You can quickly consult a friend or family member and get their assistance. Lastly, what if it is a real emergency? Your friend or family member can bring 000 into the conversation by simply pressing 0 on their phone. You remain connected the whole time. Your friend or family member can then inform emergency services, and if you're unable to speak clearly or speak another language, your friend or family member can assist by explaining your situation and guide them to you. Red Button works on any phone. Red Button Assure Connect is the only emergency alert system that protects you both inside your home and wherever your independent lifestyle takes you. That's why we call it the Independent Emergency Alert System. Red Button Assure Connect is only $9.90 per month plus modest call charges. Try our free account and then, after you like it, provide your credit card details and upgrade to a fully functioning account. You set it up online and it works immediately. If you need assistance setting up, call our customer support number. No waiting, no contract, no upfront fee. Cancel your account at any time. Why not try it today?